everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm excited to have you here. Let's dive in and learn together. HTML text links allow users to navigate between web pages, sections, etc. with clickable text. So what exactly is a hyperlink? A hyperlink, or simply a link, is a connection from one page to another or even to a specific part of the same page. You can create hyperlinks using both text and images, making your website interactive and easy to navigate. In this example, we've created a simple text link that takes users to the YouTube website. The magic happens with the A tag, also known as the anchor tag. Everything between the opening A and closing A tags becomes clickable. Cool, right? Now, let's talk about the target attribute. This handy feature lets you control where your linked document opens. Want to open a link in a new tab, or maybe keep it in the same window? The target attribute makes it all possible. Here you can see how different target options work. _blank opens in a new tab, _self keeps it in the same frame, _parent opens in the parent frame, and _top opens in the full body of the window. This level of control is great for managing user experience. Linking multiple documents within the same website. There's a shortcut for that. By using the base tag, you can set a base URL, so you only need to specify the relative path in your links. It's a simple way to save time and avoid errors. In this example, we set the base URL once, and now every link on the page uses this base path automatically. It's a great way to keep your code clean and efficient. Want to jump to a specific section of your web page? Anchors are your go-to tool. With just 2 steps, you can create links that take users directly to the part of the page they need. Here we've set an anchor at the top of the page with name top and link to it with a simple anchor link. Clicking on Go to the Top will take you straight to the top of the page. It's a great way to improve navigation within long pages. Want to add some flair to your links? You can customize their colors using the link, and vlink attributes within the body tag. Let's see how it's done. Check out how we've set different colors for active, visited, and standard links. This makes your link stand out and enhances your website's visual appeal.
On your phone early in the morning?
Thinking of starting yoga today. So,
links aren't just for navigation, they can also let your users download files directly from your site. Whether it's a PDF, doc, or zip file, you can make it downloadable with a simple link. Just like that, you've created a download link. Clicking on it will start the download of the specified file. Easy and efficient. HTML image links allow users to navigate by clicking on images that function as hyperlinks. Creating an image hyperlink is super simple. Instead of text, we'll place an image inside the anchor tag. Let's check out an example. As you can see, we've embedded an image within the hyperlink. When users click on the image, it takes them directly to the specified web page. Simple yet effective. Now, let's explore something even cooler: mouse-sensitive image links, also known as image maps. These allow you to create multiple clickable areas within a single image, each leading to different destinations. First up, server-side image maps. By adding the isMap attribute to an image within a hyperlink, you can make different parts of the image clickable. When a user clicks, the coordinates of their click are sent to the server, which determines what content to serve based on those coordinates. In this example, clicking on different parts of the image will send the mouse coordinates to the server, which then processes these coordinates to determine what to do next. It's a great way to make your images interactive. Next, let's talk about client-side image maps. Unlike server-side maps, these are entirely handled by the browser using the useMap attribute combined with map and area tags. This method gives you full control over which areas of your image are clickable and where those clicks take the user. Here we've defined a few clickable areas within our image. Each area links to a different part of the site. This makes it easy to create interactive images that provide a more engaging user experience. Finally, let's touch on another handy feature, HTML email links. By using the mail to attribute within a tag, you can create a link that opens the user's default email client with a pre-filled recipient email, subject, and even a message body. With this simple line of code, you can make it easy for users to reach out without needing to expose your email address directly on the site. Just remember, using forms and server-side scripts might be a safer option to avoid spam. HTML frames divide a browser window into multiple sections, each showing a different document. HTML frames allow web authors to split the browser window into sections or frames where each section can load a separate HTML document. This collection of frames is known as a frame set. It's similar to how tables organize content into rows and columns. But before you get too excited, there are some drawbacks to using frames. For instance, smaller devices often struggle with frames due to limited screen space. Your page might also display differently on various computers, and even worse, the browser's back button might not work as expected. Plus, some older browsers don't support frames at all. Now, if you're still curious about how to create frames, let's get into the code. Instead of using the body tag, we use the frameset tag to define how the window is divided either by rows or columns. Each section is represented by a frame tag which specifies the HTML document that will be loaded into that frame. This code will create 3 sections: a top frame, a main content frame, and a bottom frame. And if you want to create vertical frames instead, you simply replace the rows attribute with calls and adjust their widths. This code creates 3 vertical sections, each loading a different HTML document. To control the appearance and behavior of your frames, the frameset tag comes with several attributes. You can define the size of the frames using rows or calls, set borders, spacing, and more. This allows you to customize how your frames look and behave. Similarly, the frame tag also has important attributes. You can specify the source of the HTML document with this src attribute, give the frame a name for targeting links, control scrolling, and much more. One common use of frames is to create a navigation bar that stays in one frame while the main content loads into another. Here's how you can do it. This code divides the browser window into 2 frames: a narrow left frame for a navigation menu and a larger right frame for displaying content, allowing users to navigate within the same page layout. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and click the bell icon to learn coding with me. We'll meet in the next video.